Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix YouTube error fetching channel list for account. So if you're facing this error, there might be various reasons behind it. The first thing that you need to make sure is to have a stable network connection. Sometimes you might be facing this error because your network connection is not stable. In that case, what you have to do is simply ensure that you have a stable network connection. For example, if you're using the Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. And if you're using the mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. This can solve your problem. If your problem is not solved, what you can do is simply check the app permissions to ensure the YouTube app has required access. So in that case, what you have to do is open the app library on your device, find the application for YouTube and long press on it. Now tap on the option App Info. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Out of these options, find the option for permissions and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the app permissions interface. You'll be able to see the allowed and not allowed permissions over here. Make sure to allow the notification permissions like camera, microphone, notifications, location, etc. For example, if any permission is not allowed, what you have to do is tap on that specific permission. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the option allow only while using the app. Now go back. Now that permission will be allowed. Follow this process for all the app permissions. Now this should solve your problem, but if your problem is not solved, what you can do is simply clear the app's data and cache. For that, what you have to do is go back. Now in the app info interface of YouTube, you'll be able to find the option for storage and cache. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find the option for clear storage and clear cache. So what you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. Now the cache of the YouTube will be cleared. This should solve your problem. If your problem is not solved by clearing the cache, you can simply clear the storage. For that, tap on the option clear storage. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option OK. Now your problem should be solved. But if your error still persists, what you can do is simply try restarting the device. For that, long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option restart. After that, your device will be restarted and your problem can be solved. So that is how you fix YouTube error fetching channel list for account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.